Rakhi week, and today I have gift options for your brothers. So if you are from a family like mine, it's not only the brothers who give a shaghan, but I also give gifts to my brothers, like my real brother as well as my cousin brothers. I give them gifts as well. So if you're someone who also likes to give gifts to your brother on Rakhi because he is promising to protect you for life and beyond, then please keep on watching. Now the very first gift is like a no-brainer. You can gift it to anyone in your life because everyone loves music. So I have these Jbl speakers, 2 type, and this is not sponsored by Jbl. I just seem to have Jbl speakers. I've had Jbl speakers since like 2009 and I really like them, so yeah, it's not sponsored. So the first one is this tiny one. It is like powered by Bluetooth, so you can like connect it to your Bluetooth in your phone, in your car, wherever you want, and you can just turn it on. It has all of the buttons right here, and then you can just play music on this, and it has a really nice sound quality. This is not that expensive. I got it online and my brother really loves it. He digs it. He keeps it with himself all day long. So yes, it's a really nice option to gift. And you can also gift him speakers like these. Like these are headphones and they are like flippable. So these can go like that. So that you can put them on and then you can just like flip them and just store them straight so that they're not like breaking or bending or anything, because they are bending on their own. That's cool. Again, the sound quality is really nice. They're not that expensive. Both of them were off Jabong, I guess, but you can definitely find them on Amazon, Flipkart. I'm sure you can find these Jbl speakers anywhere. So yes, first option is to gift your brothers headphones or speakers. So if your brother is a sport fanatic like mine is, you can gift him a jersey depending on which sport he likes to see. Now my brother is a die-hard Liverpool fan, so I have this Liverpool jersey. It also has his name on the back and the number. Now this is not a gift from my side, he bought it. His friend actually gifted it to him. So he also has like other Liverpool jerseys, but if your brother is like a cricket fan, you can probably gift him a cricket jersey. If your brother is like a Kabaddi fan, you can gift him a Kabaddi jersey. Whatever your brother likes to play or likes to see, you can gift him a jersey of that. Or if you like, you can also go ahead and gift him like the ball or the tool that sports require. I'm very bad with sports. I only know how to play Coco and Bit 2, so please forgive me. So if your brother plays cricket, you can gift him a cricket bat. If he plays baseball, you can gift him a baseball bat. You know how it rolls. So yeah, I have this Liverpool jersey with me, which my brother again loves to the core. Now if your brother is in a corporate job, then you can gift him this Van Heusen box. This retails for 2,500 and it has 3 things in it. So I'm going to show you. It looks very luxe though. It looks extremely luxe. So once you open it up, it has a tie. This is a paisley print tie with gunmetal and black detailing. Then it also has like cufflinks, which are again gunmetal and black in color. Again, something that will go, is a universal thing. It will go with every shirt type ever. And then there's also a pocket square for suits and everything. So it has those 3 things. So he can use it if your brother's in the corporate job, as I said. He can use these things quite often and it will be something that he will actually use. So yeah, I always think about gifts as something that should also solve a utility purpose. I love giving flowers, but I feel they're gonna wither after like 3-4 days and there's no use. They're expensive as hell, but I still love flowers. So anyways, coming back, the 4th gift option that I have for you guys is that your brother is a fitness fanatic. You can gift him gym membership for a month or 2 or whatever that you prefer. You can gift him that for him to work out. So yes, those were all of my buy option. Now let's move on to DIY. So the first DIY is this match night basket. You can also customize it to be like a movie night basket by just placing in a DVD except the muffler. So yeah, because my brother is like a football buff, I decided to make this for him. So for this, you're going to be needing a basket, any would do, and after that you're going to be needing some snacks. So I decided to place in some caramel popcorns by the Crunchbox. I love them. So I'm just going to be placing it like that, and then I'm going to be taking this Liverpool scarf or muffler, and then I'm going to be folding it so that it's a little still visible. That's from Liverpool. And then I'm just going to place in more snacks and some drinks so that he can go through the match night without starving himself. So I'm just placing that in, and that is as simple as that, and my basket is done. It took me just 5 minutes to arrange this, and you can easily find all of this stuff anywhere. Crunchbox also delivers like home delivery. I'm not too sure if it doesn't outside Delhi, but in Delhi it doesn't. Then we have this DIY grooming jar sort of a thing. Sometimes men need to be reminded that need to groom themselves. So this is like applicable for all ages and for every men type. So it's something that is very universal to males. So I have this jar by the company called Rocks. You can use any jar that you prefer. And I'm also going to be using these self-adhesive rhinestones. You can obviously use a permanent marker or anything. So I'm just going to make the initial of my brother's name, which is A, like that. Just make sure you press down on it well because you don't want it to just, drop away. So then you're going to be needing some male skincare products and just drop it in. I had some by Natio, and with that I'm done with this cute little grooming, jar. It has a shower gel, a shaving gel, a aftershave soothing gel, everything that male generally require. With that, I complete my gift options for brothers on this Rakhi festival. Although you can give these sort of gifts to any man in your life and he will love it. I'm sure he will love it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed day 2 of Rakhi week. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new Rakhi week video. Till then, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar below. And I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.